Do you invest in the stock market? Invest in great companies you know? The ones you believe in? It is a great time to be a stock market investor. Free data is everywhere. Legendary investors openly share how they distinguish great companies from weak, and algorithms and software can quickly collect, review, and analyze data. So, winners of the stock market can repeatedly make great investment decisions. How do you do it? Google it? Read blogs? News? Reports? Ask a question on Quora or Reddit? You enjoy doing this stuff, but you're too busy to do it all the time. And there's just too much data everywhere. It takes time. And why do you have to do it when algorithms and software can do it for you? That's exactly why we built StockCard. Each company gets a stock card that searches through and finds the most reliable sources of data, analyzes them just like how those legendary investors taught us, and summarizes all the insights you need to make winning investment decisions. If you want, you can see the logic and dig into the data behind each stock card. And you can see how we put our money where our mouth is and outperform the market using StockCard Insights. You can be a stock market winner and still have time to do other things you like. Subscribe to StockCard Weekly for free.